Hey, um, I was thinking about everything that's going on right now. I just got word, I don't know if you heard, and I'm going to mention it in roll call today. But I overheard that there's an incident happening in Dreaded City, Indiana, in Horrifying Nights, Nightmareville, and Creepifying Creek.
What the hell is happening?
Apparently, someone sent a note to the news station. The note said that I have killed 36 people. I have the evidence to prove it. And essentially, he's going to lead those police departments and those news stations and the public on a mystery. And once the mystery ends, they'll catch him, but it'll be too late because he's dying of cancer.
So either way, he wins.
Yeah, essentially. So, I'm going to mention that at the thing because I don't know if there's any news of it happening here. I'm not sure yet. Nothing weird has happened here yet, correct?
No, nothing at all.
Okay. You go into the work. I'll be there in probably 5 minutes. And I'm going to actually go outside and go from there. Okay?
Yeah, sure.
Okay. What the fuck? What the hell is that?
Did you leave your shotgun out or something?
Hand me some gloves.
Why?
Because this shotgun and this piece of paper is not mine. Is it any of yours?
No, let me go ask real quick.
What the hell's going on? Was it any of theirs?
No.
Okay, I don't like that. Why was there a shotgun placed right outside the police station's door? And no one noticed it.
No, not to my knowledge. And it's no one's at all.
Okay, and that shotgun specifically I know is not issued to our police department. Maybe on the rural side, but definitely not here. Not in the city. We'd be given a machine gun or something like that. That doesn't make any sense.
What's the piece of paper? Hey, what's going on?
Captain, come here. I went outside because I wanted to see if there's anybody else so I could tell them to come in because roll call's about to start. And I looked to the ground immediately, right in front of the police station door, is a shotgun and a piece of paper. We checked around. I had Luke over there check around to see if it was anybody else's. But that's the thing, nobody in this department is issued a shotgun. All issued a machine gun and a handgun.
Okay, yeah. What does the piece of paper say?
Okay, the piece of paper, it looks like a map. And there's streets on it that I'm not really good with streets, but it looks like streets to this city, and there's X's that lead to these streets. This looks like a map, like it's guiding us.
Guide us to what?
I don't know. But if you're leaving a shotgun, that it can't be good.
Okay, I'm gonna tell everybody. I'm gonna start roll call now. I'm gonna tell everybody get in there now. Let's try and figure this out.
think it's a good idea. Alright, yeah, let's do that now. Alright, let's go.